Folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Check it out. So you see this? This is $209 that I just made by posting a image on my Instagram account right here. Okay, yeah, you see my big old head? Smash the like button if you think I got a big forehead, right? I'm sorry, you know. Listen, so in this video here, real quickly, just for you, I want to show you how you can post the image for free on your Instagram account. Even if you have 100 subscribers or 100 followers, this will work. You don't have to spend any money. It takes about 5 minutes to do if you listen to everything that I give you, and it'll work. Now listen, let me address something. For all of you people that don't believe this stuff really works, well, shame on you. Listen, your mentality is so negative, what you don't see what is right in front of you can help you land in the land of paradise. Listen, you got to have a better attitude. I want everybody to comment below this video. I can do this. Listen, until you believe. Years ago when I was broke and busted, and I was just like the average person, it don't work. Why it ain't working? I'm not making money. I had to eliminate the mentality and believe every day when I would watch a video that would explain to me exactly how to make money, I had to say, I can do this. I can do this. This is the day. You have to continue to do that because you're reprogramming your mind to believe that you can. So listen, big head, smash the like button because you got this, okay? Now listen, the first step is basically, obviously, you need to get yourself a ClickBank account. Let me log out here. You need to go to the register button to basically register right here for an account. Now listen, if you for some reason can't get an account, well, two things. Find a friend in the United States of America, in Canada, or anybody else, or any other place where you can get an account and just use their account. Or two, get a VPN, okay? It's no excuse when you're wanting to make money online, when you're listening to the very end and you really want to make money, you don't allow anything to freaking stop you. Does that make sense? Nothing stops you, okay? Once you have an account on ClickBank here, and all you need is your mobile phone. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you something cool. It's a software that's put everything what I'm giving you this on autopilot. If you guys don't know, I'm into software automation now because I'm just tired of working. I don't want to work anymore. I want software to do it for me, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to log into one of my accounts here. Boom, bada bing, boom, boom. You want to go to Marketplace up top, and you see this magnifying glass here. Click it, okay? And I'm going to show you the image that we're going to post to make 200, 300. It's up to you on how much money that you want to make, okay? Because I know you're tired of going to school, right? Can I get a yes, and you're tired of working that 9-to-5 job because your boss is pissing you off and you can't stand your coworker because they stink, okay? So it's time for you to be at home or to be around the world while you're making money online. So you want to scroll down. You want to go to page, I believe, number, let me see if it's number 2. Let me give you the exact product that I promoted. So here it is. This is the image, and I'm going to show you the image where you're going to utilize to make this happen. Click the promote button here. You want to generate your hop link. Make sure your account name is here. If it's not, you get paid $0, okay? And you don't want to get paid $0. You want to copy that, okay? And on the same page, go to a site by the name of bit.ly.com, okay? And remember, you can always watch the video again. You can always pause the video if I'm moving too fast, okay? You want to keep that page open. You want to go back. And you want to click on the link that says affiliate page here, okay? Very powerful. I'm getting ready to give you the image that is making me it's making me more money actually because I have a team doing it for me. But if you're brand new, this is what you can do. You can be a mom, dad, 9-to-5 grinder, an old person that said, I'm sick and tired of working for the man, okay? It's up to you. So what you want to do is scroll down and where it says banners, image banners, put in your email. Your email is bighead@yahoo.com, right? I don't know what your email address is, but put yours there. Hit get started now. It's going to take you here. We're going to verify. Hit some traffic lights here, okay? I hate these things. Oh, God. Smash the like button if you hate this stuff. I just hate these captchas. Woo! Oh, really? Smash the like button if you believe it's going to do it again. Okay, I'm in. All right, so look. Next step is you go to image and video ads and Instagram images. They make it so easy, right? Because you have an Instagram account, we have an image, and I'm going to give you the image that I know what works right now. And I did this with an account that I have about 100 followers, and it worked. Look, this image right here where it says be cautious or optimistic, because it's a offer for women that want to get men, right? So you're going to post this image, okay? Save it to your computer, save it to downloads here. And what you want to do is go back to your Instagram account, okay, and do a new post. Select the post from your computer or your iPhone. You can use this with your Galaxy phone or iPad, okay? But it doesn't require a computer to do this. Here's the image right here. You see it? Hit next. Hit next. And you want to type this as, ladies, do you agree? Okay? Or you're going to say, ladies and men, do you agree? One thing about people, they love giving advice. They do. Like, listen, broke people give other broke people advice. Overweight people give other overweight people advice. Which means is we have this very deep internal need to give people advice. So when you post this on your Instagram account, right, about which is better for your love life, being cautious or optimistic, everybody's going to be like, cautious, optimistic. But this is what you put. Look, listen to me here. Answer is in my bio. You won't believe what people said. Okay? See that? That's it. And you hit share. Now, before you hit share, you got to do one thing to make sure everything works out. You need to click back on your Instagram account and you need to edit your profile. Edit profile. And in here, what you want to do is the answer is here. And remember what we did with the shortened link? You want to take that link here, which is your affiliate link, and you want to paste it there and here. That's it. And you just save it. So everybody that sees that post, they will naturally engage because, like I told you, people always want to give somebody advice when they need to take their own advice, right? So they're going to engage and they're going to click the link, and you're going to have people that's going to visit that affiliate page on autopilot while you relax and watch this happen and make $200 a freaking day. Now, listen, I have some software for you. Many of you may say, Wesley, is there a way that I can put everything what you just said in a software and it blasts out to many accounts with a click of a button? Listen, there's a software right now. It's right here. Go to this site. Check it out. This is what I'm using. And imagine doing everything what I just showed you times 100. That means when you click this button, it's an app that you can download to your phone. I think it's in the App Store as well. You can download to your phone. Go here, and basically, you will make $105 every hour. Now, I know that sounds crazy. Listen, you do got to put in a little bit of work. And once you put in that work, you click the button. I'm doing this. Like I said, the guy that I hooked up with from Apple, he's an ex-employee. He's a software developer. I just bought a company, and everything I'm doing right now is on autopilot. Listen, you deserve to do something different. Don't continue to stay at your job and making $10 and $20 an hour. You're worth more than that. Stop going to school if that's not what you really want to do. The internet is the best time right here in this moment. You're watching this video for a reason. You're not just here because I say, Wesley, billion, right? You're here because you really want to create something for you, your family, and change your life financially here. Go to this site right here. You don't have to click this. You don't have to go there. But if you're looking, I'll put it in my description as well. But if you're truly looking for software that will do this on autopilot, okay, it will. Exactly what I just showed you. So you can make more money. $100 per hour is about $2,000 per day. That's $60,000 per month. What would you do with that money? Listen, everything in life happens for a reason. Here's the site. You can either click it or don't click it. It's up to you. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated. Let's get it.